My name is Francesca Doughty. I do Uniform Public Services Level 3 and I go to East Sussex College, Hastings. And yeah, I've loved every moment of it really because it's just shown that I can be independent. I didn't know I could be until now. Well, I came to the Taster Days with my school and I also came to open evenings with my parents, sort of check it out, look around. And I came to public services and spoke to some teachers there and it seemed perfect really. And then I was really intrigued by a lot of the trips that they had and the opportunities that they had. So we did do the work experience at the fire station in Hastings. It sort of revolved around helping some of the primary schools that came in. We worked, each student was put on a separate station and then teaching them about maybe the voltage and what to do in the case of a fire, scream, run, get out and things like that, helping them. And then that gave me the opportunity to talk to some of the firefighters there and learn a bit more about what I could go into. And yeah, although it can be quite hard to get into, but it's sort of given me a challenge that I want to work towards. But when we had an open evening here, the fire department also came in. That was another opportunity for me to talk to them. And he said it took him about 7 years to get into it. So you don't want to be dedicated, but because already I'm sort of a female, that kind of gives me an upper hand. Cause it's only 3%, I think, that are female in the fire department. Pete, I've found that I've struggled sometimes throughout the year with maybe personal issues and things like that, and he's always been available for me, and he's been there a lot, and he's opened his time up for me, so that's meant a lot to me, and it helped, definitely. And he's even arranged to talk to my parents and things like that if I need it, so it's nice having that there. And then Adam's always made sure I'm on top of my work and keeping up and just keeping me on top of it all, because it's not always the easiest and there's a lot to do, but yeah, they definitely help more than I can imagine. So it's nice. It's nice that they actually care about the course, and you can tell that they do, and it's their interest as well. Well, we did last year especially. We did lessons up at Horntie, and we did a lot of football, netball, basketball. And we did all our team things. And there was even a teachers and student game with football, and we all joined in on that. And it was really fun. It was good fun. I've struggled because I'm dyslexic, and I've actually struggled with a lot of the coursework and how to tackle it. And Pete set me up for some tutor lessons in the library, and then they can do one-on-one with how I can form my assignments, and which is definitely what I need help with, and the organisation of it all. So yeah, because I was a bit behind on it last year, but they gave me after taking me aside and talking to me and how they can help me, they've understood what I can do and what they can do. It's perfect. If you want to get into the services, it's perfect. It's everything that you could need. You come out with the equivalent of 3 A-levels. So even if you didn't then further this into the services, it looks really good on your CV. And yeah, I think the teachers have just done everything they can to teach me every part of the course, and they've definitely succeeded in that. So I've enjoyed it. Yeah, it's been a very enjoyable 1.5 years really now.